Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 10 best drone for kids and children in 2021, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 10 drones for kids and children in 2021. Number 1. Hand-operated drone for kids Scoot helicopter. As you're looking through drones, you might get frustrated with all of the remote and phone requirements. Isn't there a simple toy drone for young kids so they can feel like they're getting in on the drone action? Something with a simple remote option for kids? Actually, it's so simple, all they'd need is their hand to get it going. With a light toss in the air, this cute toy can fly around with hand guidance for about 8 minutes. It has a shorter charging time than most flying toys and drones, usually less than an hour, and it is durable and safe for smaller hands. Great for younger children. Lights up and holds interest. Has several colors. Surprisingly durable. Lots of good reviews for good reason. Even adults like these. Decent flight time on average. Actually works. Customer service responds well. Number 2, Potensic upgraded A20 mini drone, easy to fly. If you're looking for a simplified drone which your child can get the hang of in a matter of minutes and which has a good warranty, we've got you covered. The Potensic A20 mini drone, upgraded, is a fun, colorful option with a very simple remote control and obviously drone-like propellers, which tend to mesmerize kids. It's easily portable, can be maneuvered very easily, and has 2 batteries for twice as long flight time. If your son or daughter is interested in a simple drone with no confusing camera or fancy buttons to worry about, this is a great drone for a great price on Amazon. Easy to control. Altitude lock works. Durable. Fun, palm-sized toy. Kids really enjoy it. Great price. Easy to get it flying right away. Number 3, DJI Duelin Mini Drone Crash Proof RC. If you're worried about your child's piloting skills due to their young age, this drone is a great fit. Not only does it have crash-proof guards around the propellers, but it also has a quality warranty and money-back guarantee. If your younger child wouldn't be completely happy with a hovering drone-like toy, this one is really a tiny, camera-less drone with an easy-to-use remote control and sleek, mature design. It is a mini drone, which means it's pretty small compared to regular drones, but it's actually proportionally appropriate for smaller kids. With a design similar to grown-up drones, many younger children enjoy feeling mature enough to pilot their own little drones. However, keep in mind that this is a little more complicated than the previous option, and the individual child's personality should be taken into consideration when deciding if this is a good fit. Easy to maneuver. Pretty sturdy mini drone. Children enjoy it a lot, even younger ones. Pretty reliable. Easy to control. Greater than withstands crashes. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4, Holy Stone Mini Drone for Kids and Beginners. For the price and the overall product quality, this fourth option is excellent for kids who are interested in drones but don't necessarily need the protective, crash-proof, and circular design of option number 3. This mini drone is perfect for taking on trips or using in houses. It has 3 batteries for extended flight time, easy instructions, and great protection. While it's not as advanced as some of the later drones in this list, it's great for ages 8+. Furthermore, this miniature drone can fit in the palm of your hand, perfect for smaller 8-year-olds, and has some fantastic reviews. It's tons of fun, plus the remote control is remarkably easy to use. With a solid design and extended flight times, your child will have lots of opportunities to experience the thrill of drone piloting at a beginner stage. Easy to use. Nice that it has 3 batteries. Chargers are convenient. Great product. Not too fast. Great for younger kids. Durable. Customer service seems on top of things. Number 5, UFO Mini Drones for Kids. Some kids are more interested in sleek-looking drones than others. Some drones come chic, shiny, and with complex-looking remotes, and others are simplified and fun for kids. This drone is a great in-between mix for kids who are interested in drones that can do stunts. Equipped with LED lights and a 360-degree flip button, this drone is easy to get the hang of and comes with some fantastic features, such as the altitude hold or headless mode. From bright lights, which create glow trails at night, to a video game-like controller, which is easy to get the hang of, your child will enjoy this interesting option. Great quality builds for a mini drone, well protected. Customer service responds quickly. Good for beginners. Children really like this indoors and out. Good price for what you get. Looks cool at night. Lots of fun. Number 6, Snaptane S5C Wi-Fi FPV Drone with 720p HD camera. A lot of the best drones for kids listed above are fairly simple and tons of fun, but they do all miss one thing, a camera. If your child is mainly interested in drones for photography purposes or because they want to capture a fantastic, high-quality video, this is the drone you've been waiting for. With voice control, an excellent camera, a great price, and one key takeoff, it's no wonder this drone by Snaptane is so popular. The voice control allows younger children to tell the drone what he or she wants, which is a huge selling point for many people, as it eliminates the complications which remotes, apps, and phones can cause. Perfect for beginners. Great quality. Easy to use. Inexpensive for the quality you get. Lightweight. Great control. Customer service is easy to work with. Lots of bells and whistles. Quick to get started with. So get your brand new product mentioned. Check the links in the description box below. Number 7. Drokon Ninja Foldable Drone for Kids and Beginners. This quality drone comes at a recognizably great price for the quality of camera it has and the convenient, foldable design it boasts. Convenient for packing away and using to take pictures during a camping trip, or simply folding up to store in a tidy space. This is a durable drone that comes with camera children will enjoy practicing with. This drone has been optimized for convenient control to make the beginning easier for any drone pilot just branching into a new hobby. Check out some of its basic rundowns. 12-month warranty. Customer service was easy to work with. Great beginner drone. Fantastic price. Great transmission. Great images. Kids love it. Number 8, DB Power U845 UFO Drone for Kids with Camera. If you're looking for a unique and fun drone for your child who wants to explore your new passion, try out this UFO-style drone. Besides boasting some pretty fun features, camera included, the design of this particular drone is fun and can capture the interest of any age. This drone looks like a UFO. It has 6 red propellers and a fancy metal cap on top. Also, it comes with an extra battery and is marketed towards kids. Besides being overall fun, you can take some decent pictures with its HD camera. Fantastic price. Lightweight. Easy to control. Great for beginners. Customer service is good. Fun for any age. Good controller. Kids really like this design. Number 9, Sagoda RC Drone with dual 720p HD 2MP cameras. This sleek quadcopter/drone has a 720 pixel camera and plenty of 5-star reviews. It also has 360-degree rolling turns and a durable frame. With this high-resolution camera, you can fly for up to 10 minutes, capturing footage and pictures like never before. Children just branching into their new hobby of photography will be thrilled by a quadcopter like this. With a similar price range to option number 6 and a black, modern look, this drone actually comes with 2 cameras and lots of pairing options. Here are the basics, plenty of functions. Steady flight. Easy instructions and setup. Great starter drone for kids. Great customer service with Sagoda. Collapsibility is convenient and portable. Extra batteries are available for purchase. Easy to operate. Number 10, Drone with 1080p HD camera for kids and adults. This is an excellent option for kids wanting to get into drones for the long run. It has 14 minutes of flight time and a 1080p HD camera. This is perfect for the starting photographer. Not only does the longer flight time give your child more time to take exquisite videos and pictures of the outside world, but it offers higher resolution than many other drones in this price range. Speaking of which, the price range is what many customers are pleased with. This drone has managed mainly 5-star reviews and comes with many features and great camera quality. Great price. App works well. Battery life is good. Range is good. Phenomenal design and quality. Super fun, especially for kids. Good camera. High quality and durable at a good price range. Good for adults and kids. So these are the best drone for kids and children in 2021, which you can buy this year. If you know of any other drone for kids and children in 2021, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.